Trump's market. Meltdown. Is this a power play or a financial catastrophe? The global economy is once again on edge as markets react to escalating tensions sparked by aggressive trade policies. With tariffs rising and international relations strained, investors are left questioning whether this is a calculated move to secure economic dominance or the beginning of a financial disaster. Stock prices are swinging, businesses are scrambling, and uncertainty is creeping into every sector. But is this just a temporary dip, or are we witnessing the start of something much more severe? Historically, protectionist policies have had mixed outcomes. While they can shield domestic industries from foreign competition, they also lead to rising costs, supply chain disruptions, and retaliatory tariffs that hurt businesses and consumers alike. The last time the U.S. took such a bold stance during a time of economic instability, it contributed to the Great Depression. Are we on the brink of repeating history? The signs are eerily similar. Declining investor confidence, increased volatility, and companies warning of potential losses. For everyday Americans, the effects of these economic policies are already being felt. Prices on consumer goods are climbing as businesses pass the cost of tariffs onto customers. Manufacturing jobs, which were supposed to be protected by these policies, are instead at risk due to higher production costs and decreased global demand. The trade war is no longer just a political battle. It's now impacting household budgets and small business operations across the country. Despite the chaos, there are those who argue that this strategy is a necessary step in reshaping the global economic landscape. Supporters believe that challenging unfair trade practices and reducing dependence on foreign manufacturing will ultimately strengthen the U.S. economy. They argue that short-term pain is necessary for long-term gain, and that these disruptions will eventually lead to a more self-sufficient and resilient market. But how long can businesses and consumers endure the fallout? The stock market, a key indicator of economic confidence, is reflecting this uncertainty. Major indexes have seen sharp declines, wiping out billions in market value within days. Investors are pulling back, fearful of the unknown repercussions of continued trade disputes. Meanwhile, multinational corporations are warning that prolonged instability could force them to cut jobs, relocate operations, or scale back expansion plans. The ripple effect could be devastating, leading to an economic slowdown that affects industries far beyond Wall Street. Global reactions have been equally volatile. International markets are reacting with their own countermeasures, further escalating the tension. China, the European Union, and other major players are not standing idle. They are implementing tariffs of their own, restricting trade, and exploring alternative alliances. As trust in the U.S. as a stable economic partner diminishes, new power dynamics are emerging, reshaping global trade for years to come. So, is this all part of a grand strategy to reclaim economic power, or is it an avoidable financial crisis in the making? The answer depends on whether these policies result in meaningful long-term economic reform or simply push the country into deeper instability. While some believe in the administration's vision of economic revival, others warn that miscalculated policies could trigger another recession. The stakes have never been higher. Discover practical strategies for business growth and financial freedom. For entrepreneurs and business owners aiming to thrive in today's market, our free ebook, Mastering Business Growth and Financial Freedom, offers expert insights tailored to your needs. Get actionable strategies to elevate your business and achieve financial independence. Download your free copy. Link in description or check the full video. Ready to start investing? If this recap has inspired you to explore investing, there's no better time to start. The Freedom 24 app simplifies the investment process, making it accessible for everyone. Special offer. Sign up using my referral link and receive a coupon for 1 share, worth up to $700. Sign up in the description or use my invitation code, 1416191, and check the full video. Disclaimer. Investing involves risks, including the potential loss of principal. Conduct thorough research and consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions.